How to skip Doordash waitlist. To do this, you can either download it through the app or using your laptop or PC. So if you're using your laptop, just go to their website, doordash.com. You log in, and this is the option that you want to become a dasher to start earning. Now you just have to fill out the application. You just have to highlight your driving experience. That will be the key to be approved because this is the field that they focus on 100%. Now don't forget to complete a background check to ensure the process. And then you need to provide accurate information to stay active on the DoorDash community by engaging to drivers. And then you can also chat with their chat support to follow up your application. Now, they do have social media accounts. That's the easiest way to get in touch is through Messenger. But you'll just have to remember to be patient and keep in mind that DoorDash receives numerous applications that's daily, and it takes time to review them each of them thoroughly. But by following these basic steps, you will be able to earn money as a driver in DoorDash in no time. So that's how you skip a DoorDash waitlist.